Hi, English 101 students. Welcome to week 8. This week, as you know, your analysis essay is due on Monday. Your analysis essay should have 5 paragraphs. Your first paragraph will be a summary of Simmons's article. The next 3 paragraphs will be an analysis of one rhetorical technique per paragraph. Make sure you explain how he uses that rhetorical technique to persuade the reader. That's what I'm looking for. How does Simmons use repetition to persuade the reader? How does he use expert opinion to persuade the reader? How does anecdotes help to persuade the reader? Don't just tell me he uses those rhetorical devices. Explain how he uses them effectively. Okay? Your final paragraph will be an evaluation of the article where you tell me what you thought of the article. Make sure you include a works cited page at the end. Okay, so your analysis essay Dropbox is located right here in the Monday folder. It is due today, the 16th, by 11:59 p.m. Okay, for Wednesday, we're going to move now into the synthesis unit. That's the next unit after the analysis unit. You see, you have a lecture on synthesis. So, what does synthesis mean? It means bringing things together. So, for this unit, you're going to be using outside sources for a persuasive essay where you argue the pros or cons of social media. You're going to be examining one form of social media, one platform. You could also look at one type of smartphone as well. Okay. So you might want to look at Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, whatever it might be. You're going to analyze one form of social media by breaking it down into small sections. So you're using your analysis skills, right? Your analysis skills, again, break things down to see how each part works together. How does Facebook operate as something positive or negative? So you could look at Facebook events, maybe advertising, or how Facebook could promote a business. Okay, so you want to analyze specific elements of one social media platform, and then argue how it is beneficial or negative. The 2 outside sources you have will be located in next week's folders, okay? But I want you to take special note on the synthesis essay instructions. Take notes. I'm noticing on some of your drafts, you're not following the directions. If you don't follow directions, you're not going to get a good grade, no matter how well you write, okay? You have to follow what I'm looking for. So make sure when you watch the synthesis essay instruction video lecture, you take careful notes. Okay, I have it structured as a PowerPoint. It shouldn't be very difficult for you to, take notes and follow directions. If you have questions, I will have office hours this week on Wednesday from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Look forward to seeing you there. Have a good one.